Watch list for July 19th, which will be Tuesday. Had a very nice day in chat today and looking to have another one tomorrow. The SPY just consolidating up here. I mean, another narrow range. We're at all-time highs, but look at the move we made to get up here, right? All-time highs are just basically right up in this area. But look at the move we made to get here. So this either needs to come in or consolidate for a while. It is the middle of summer, so we're just kind of digging and finding the one or two potentially nice moving stocks each day, and trying to focus on those. As you guys know, if you watch any of my videos, I don't hold overnight, so these watch lists are a way for me to log in and make money tomorrow. It's just that simple. In cash every night. So here we go. VUZI. There's just a lot of passion in this one and a lot of range each day for 4 days in a row now, and really a lot of range ever since this day. I mean, look at the size of these daily candles. So it's pretty whippy. I didn't take a trade in it today, but now I have it back on bounce watch. It seems to be, see these little tails down here, seems to be finding buyers down in this area. So it just goes on bounce watch for tomorrow. Again, no trades in it today. NNVC got a nice little intraday spike today on really pretty big volume here before coming back down and settling in at 170. I'm not in love with it, but it can move at times. You can see back here you've got some decent sized candles. So I'm just going to put it on watch, see if it can get some follow through from today. ZAIS, huge move, long pullback, but during very slow, low volume consolidation. Another huge move, and then a red day. Sometimes you can get another huge move the third day, so it goes on watch, just that simple. OPTT still feels like it needs to come in, right? Had this massive move, gap down today. I'd like to see it come in for another couple days, and then it'll be on high alert for a potential bounce. But sometimes those can bounce before you think they will, catching shorts off guard. So anytime you get a stock that moves like that one has, it's got to be on a chart if you're a day trader. VII, I missed a great opportunity in this thing today. Had pre-market resistance right at $1, and then it does everything I wanted to do in the opening 2-minute candles here. Sellers came in under that $1 again, and on a red to green here, or just a break of the dollar. This would have made your day or made your week if you had enough size, because it went up almost 50% in about 6 minutes. But these videos are not meant for me to lament my misses, but I did have this on Gap Play Watch and just skillfully missed it. But having said all that, it closed, it didn't get back the whole range, and it had this huge pop here, came back down. It's got to get some, it has to have some shorts in trouble here now. So I don't know. I think this one's worth having on watch. All right, it's got a low float, so we're going to keep watching that one all week. PRKR, another example, out of the blue, just massive volume. Gave back a lot of its gains, but sometimes you get a red to green in that the very next day and get a nice trade, so it's on watch. Netflix closed at 98.81. It went down to, I think, almost 80 in after hours. And let's see where it is as I'm making this video, right about 85.35. So we'll see if it holds this 85 area. I'd actually like to have seen this thing get down, to 80 tomorrow, and then I'll be looking for, because of this bounce back here, I'll be looking for a reversal in that area. But I just want to watch it tomorrow. It might give a nice gap down and then red to green or something like that. A lot of times you can get a really nice trade on something like this. I don't have any kind of scenario for you because I don't know where it's going to open. But we'll certainly be watching it in the chat room. And then lastly, this one's a little bit obscure, but this DRAM. Back here, if you look at this, it went from 234 to 507 in 1 day. Okay, so now I know this thing can move really big. Then it had really big volume on Friday, although it gave back a lot of the pop, $1.50 to $1.89 before settling in. Where did it settle? 156. All right. But then today, inside of Friday's range and still decent volume. So I do like this over today's high. If this gets up to 180, it might just rip through Friday's high as well. It's a low float stock, so I want to keep my eyes on that one. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all my list for tomorrow. And as always, we'll be building a list together as a team of potential gappers in the morning too. And if things work out the way they often do, I can get my daily goal in the first 90 minutes. And a 90-minute or 2-hour workday is always a good thing. All right. So and remember, after that, opportunities go way, way down, especially in summer trading, but really in all trading. That the money should be made in that first 90 minutes to 2 hours if you're doing it right. All right. Enjoy the rest of your night. We'll talk to you tomorrow.